Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tutorial, and what we're going to be learning today is all about Canva. We'll be able to use Canva template and customization, adding text, image, and icons, working with colors on front, using Canva drag and drop editor. So today we'll be learning about creating templates like this. This is the template I use for a poster for Facebook advertisement. You can use for Facebook advertisement, banner and everything. So as you can see, the tutorial is we'll be able to add image, make customization like this, add icons, and then we'll be able to share, um, download, share with people, public view, and even we can print with Canva. So it's very easy with all this on Canva. If you don't even know anything about designing, graphic design, with this course, you'll be able to create something from Canva and like a professional. So let's get started with the course.